Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Christmas is a season where even the smallest thing become magical. Today we are turning simple pine cones, those little treasure from nature, into beautiful and budget-friendly Christmas decoration. But along with the craft, I am going to tell you a heartwarming story. A story about a girl named Lena who discovered how pine cones saved her Christmas. Lena lived in a teeny wooden house near a forest. Every Christmas she decorated with expensive store-bought ornaments, but this year he thought she decorated her home with her own hand. She sat by the window, watching snowfall, and whispered, "How will I make Christmas special this time?" Just then, a pine cone dropped from the tall evergreen tree outside. She picked it up, and her Christmas transformation began. Let's start with our first decoration, classic pinecone ornaments. You will need pine cones, twins or jute, hot glue, glitter or white paint, small beads or ribbon. Clean your pine cones, brush the tips with white paint or glue plus glitter for a snow effect. Attach a small loop of jute to on top and teeny bead for sparkle. Lena made the first. She dipped the pine cones tips in a little flour to create a snowflake like effects because she had no glitter, and guess what? They looked even better. Next, we create a magical centerpiece. You will need a tray or cardboard base, pine cones, fairy lights, small branches, ribbon or jute. Place the fairy lights on the tray. Add big pine cones in the center. Surround them with small branches and ribbon. Add a candle, optional LED for safety. Lena used only what she found in the forest, broken branches, pine cone, and old jar to hold her candle when she placed everything together. The room glowed like a winter cottage. The more Lena created, the happier she felt. Each pine cone reminded her that beauty does not come from money, it's come from creativity. Her little sister walked into the room and gasped, "Wow, did you buy all this?" Lena smiled, "No, nature gave it to us." Let me make my favorite pine cones garland. You will need long jute rope, pine cones, hot glue, ribbon or dried orange slice. Cut a long piece of jute, glue pine cones to the rope specify, spacing them evenly. Add ribbon or dried fruit for a rustic look. Hang it on your wall, window or stairs. Lena hung her pine cones garland across the fireplace for whole house looked like